Hi everyone, welcome back to my Healthy Lifestyle Vlogs YouTube channel. Today we are talking about 8 weight loss hacks. Everybody loves the good hacks. There is a way to lose weight that have nothing to do with diets or exercise. May help you make good food choices. There is my 8 weight loss hacks. Hack number 1. Meal order. Daily meal order. When we are very hungry, we naturally gravitate towards the food that is most unhealthy. That big plate of pasta with bread and french fries looks extra appetizing when we are hungry. These foods are very high in calories, so your brain will naturally be drawn towards when very hungry. One simple way to hack system is urgent food that are healthier. Put them up in front. What you should do when you feel hungry? You should drink 1 glass of water before you start your meal. Secondly, eat your vegetables before your main meal. This makes you less hungry and you lose your weight naturally and faster. Hack number 2. Eat slowly. If you eat very quick, there is no time for your body to register that you have just eaten and therefore not hungry any longer. One simple hack to make sure that you eat slowly. Chewing down is another way. Slowing down your meal time. Hack number 3. Never shop when you are hungry. This is actually a self-evident. When we are hungry, we will gravitate towards easily digestible, calorie-dense foods. I don't buy cookies very often. When you go for grocery shopping, try to buy food with less sugar in. Hack number 4. Use smaller plates. Helps convince our brain that we finishing eating. Adults tend to use external cues to figure out when to stop eating. Interestingly, this doesn't work with the children who rely mostly on internal cues. Children will stop eating whenever they are full. Adults will eat till everything is done. Luckily, we can use this our advantage now and use smaller plates for serving. Hack number 5. Out of sight, out of mind. Keep all snacks and all unhealthy food out of sight. Hunger is state of mind. We might not be hungry, but the sight and smell of delicious food may make us hungry. So simple thing is keep delicious things out of sight. While fasting, it's better to stay away from kitchen. Hack number 6. Eat only in meal times. Maybe the biggest error is believing that eating constantly will make you thin. The only reason we believe this is because everybody tell us all the time. But think about it. How does eating all the time makes you slim? All the time makes you dirty. Or spending money all the time makes you rich. Here is breaking news. Eating all the time makes you fat. Sherlock. Hack number 7. Get a good sleep. This doesn't mean you need to sleep 8 hours per day. Some people need much less than that, and trying to focus for more sleep. It is also detrimental. Since many of us are sleeping deprived, getting a good sleep is good advice for everybody. Hack number 8. Just don't eat. It's natural, it's free, it's simple. You can do anytime, anywhere. You can do it for as long as you want. Does it works? Of course. If you don't eat, you lose your weight. Guaranteed. If you like my videos, please share my videos with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more latest videos. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.